In a previous video, I had shown how we had collected sponge gourd seeds from the dried up sponge gourd fruit. These are these. We will ignore the seeds that are this whitish. They're very lightweight. They don't have the material to make it. But these black seeds, they're all viable, and that is what we're going to use when we're going to grow our sponge gourd from the seeds. Uh, so I had made a whole video on how to let the sponge gourd fruit dry out, and then once it's dried out, you can make the natural loofah from that and collect the seeds that are stuck at different points inside the loofah and put them in an airtight container. So I took this waste plastic, it was a medicine box, basically waste. Instead of throwing it away, I use that too and put it in a inside room where there is no natural light, very little heat, and we let it stay there. Okay, so these are the seeds. Like other gourd seeds, these have hard shells, and if you look at them, they look very similar to other gourd seeds. Sponge gourd is a creeper that can spread, can go long distances, and so it grows in summer, and that is what we're going to do right now. This outer layer of the seed is hard. If you soak it in water, you increase the chances of germination because that starts to remove the outer layer, and the outer layer is hard because it protects the embryo inside from natural stuff. But once it gets exposed to water, either by pre-soaking or directly, even if you put it in a seeding tray with moist potting mix, the outer layer will start to melt away and you will see germination happening. But soaking it in water for up to 48 hours is helpful because that helps in the process of germination faster. And that is what we're going to do. We have this waste cup with water inside, and we're basically just going to let them soak in this waste cup for up to 48 hours and then plant them in seeding tray. So let me just do that. I'll show you. So I removed all those extra seeds that were really not viable, and now we're going to just put them in this cup and let them soak for a period up to 48 hours. Let me just make sure they're fully exposed to water. They're floating right now, doesn't matter. And then we leave them here, let them soak for up to a period of 48 hours, and then once we get a seeding tray, we're going to put them for germination, and then we'll see where we go from there.